everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1972 Plymouth Duster. Slick, fun little car, guys. I bought it actually locally. Love the color combination. This is F3 green, which is amber Sherwood metallic. It is slick, and I love this interior, man. It's got the F6 plaid interior, which I think just makes the car. It's got a great sounding 360 underneath the hood with a Holley EFI kit on it. Automatic car, disc brakes. Just a fun car to drive. Like I say, bought it locally from a guy, good guy. Dennis has had it, I think he said, for about 4 or 5 years. He said the restoration is probably 8-10 years old, and then he's just done a ton of little things to it. But the paint's slick, the interior's beautiful, runs and drives excellent. Those are new BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it with Cragar S wheels. I love the shark tooth grill. I think he said he put that in there. Just a cool car, which I just think screams 60s. They've updated the headlights on it. It's just a little bug up in there. But again, it's got the cool shark tooth grill. As you walk around, there's a couple little stone pecks I've seen on it. Not a whole lot that you can really nitpick on the car. He had multiples of these cars, man. He was a Mopar A-body guy. I love this green, man. It's beautiful. It just pops on the car. It's got the pop-out rear windows, which I love. Good looking little car. You can see it's got a little image in your straight there. Nice and straight down the sides. It sits good with those BFGs and the Cragars. It's got a good sounding exhaust on it. Fun car, man. Disc brakes on the front. Good solid straight body. It's a 360 cubic inch engine, little cam to it. Again, it's got a Holley EFI system on it, Edelbrock Air Gap, aluminum intake, stock exhaust manifolds, power steering. You can see it's got a brand new gorgeous power steering kit on it. Front disc brakes. It's got an MSD Pro billet distributor in it, chrome air cleaner, Mopar Performance, aluminum valve covers, aluminum radiator on it. Kit. Fender tag. Neat car, man. I just dig it. It's got the dual chrome mirrors. They look new. Looks like the original door handles on it. New door rubbers. Door skins are nice and clean. Again, looks like all new interior. They've upgraded the seat belts. It's got the shoulder harness seat belts. I think those are from Seatbelt Plus is who makes those. Love this interior, man. I just think that's super cool. It's got the wood steering wheel. Factory wood grain dash, 33,678. He didn't think there was, you know, but a few thousand miles on the restoration. Retrosounds radio. There's your Sniper EFI, which has got running through the glove box. It's got a real good sounding Pypes H-Pipe dual exhaust system in it. 8 3/4 355 sure grip rear end. Jack with spares here in the trunk. It has been spackle coated. They should be body color from the factory, but we see that actually a lot. But the jack's in here, the spares in here. There's some extra paint, just all kinds of little parts he kept with the car, but the paint's in there. And then this is just everything he's kind of done to the car since he's had it, which is pretty cool, man. Again, all that stuff goes with the car. It opens and closes real nice. Clean underneath. I dig this little car, man. Fun car. Get back here a little bit. These seats are really nice. Like I said, I think the color combination in this interior make this car. Love it. Sun Pro tach underneath the dash there. Load to the cam. Now, excellent. Got a little giddy up to it, runs pretty strong. Shark tooth grill is super cool. Here the door buzzer still works, all the gauges work. See the tach, it's maybe in the way there. Oh, it's got the what do you call it? It's the speakers and the kick pads. He's updated all that. Great sound. Aftermarket radio, blower motor works. Again, that's all your stuff here. EFI. All the doors open and close real nice. You can see he's updated all the lighting. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Look at that car, man. Have a great day, guys.